Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair or connect Bluetooth device to your Samsung Galaxy. Now what you want to do, guys, is the first thing that you want to do is ensure that both devices have the Bluetooth turned on. So you want to do it for your phone first and foremost by simply do a swipe down from the top, and you want to ensure that this Bluetooth button is on. If it's grayed out like that, it simply means that it is not turned on. So you want to click on it or tap on it, and then it will be turned on and it will pop up just like this and show you either a device that you have been connected to before which are paired, or it will show you available devices around you. Now if the device that you're trying to connect to is turned on, then it will most likely show it here. Right now, if not, then you want to ensure check to see that that device is turned on. And once the device is turned on, you want to ensure that it is in paired mode, right? So our connectivity mode, our connecting mode. In order to do that, you want to locate that Bluetooth button on the device, and you want to simply do like a double tap. The double tap would put it into pairing mode, and you should start to see like a blue light start to blink on that device. From there, you want to come back to this section here, and you want to see if it is detecting automatically. If not, you want to go ahead and click the scan button, and it will start to scan for those devices that are around you or available. From there, you'll be able to detect the device, and once you detect that device, then you want to go ahead and tap on that device in order to connect to it. And that's all you have to do, guys. Once you connect to the device, both devices will be connected, and you will be able to use that device. If it's a speaker, if it's a headphone, if it's a headset, whatever it might be, you'll be able to connect and use that device with your smartphone. And once it's connected, you'll be able to see it shows up under the paired device section, and it will also say connected, so that you will know that the device is connected. And that's all there is to it, guys.